Hello guys, how are we doing today? My name is Britton and today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how I'm redecorating my vanity, which is right behind me. Everything I purchased today is off of Amazon. So if you're interested in seeing how I redecorate my vanity, then go ahead and keep on watching. So this is a super exciting video because I've been wanting to redo my vanity for the longest time. Like, I've been wanting to do it for so long and I just kept waiting, or it's just too expensive, but now I decided to do it. Everything that I purchased will be linked down below. Also, the desk that I made, which is like the Alex Drawers desk from IKEA, if you're interested, I actually built it myself, so that will also be up here, so go ahead and click that and watch that if you're interested in seeing how I made the desk before watching this. So I was really iffy about redecorating my vanity on like what kind of theme I wanted for it. I was really torn between more of like a pinkish kind of girly, like very dainty theme, or I was going with more of like a very minimalistic, very white, like kind of plant kind of theme. I was kind of like, I don't know which one I want to do, but I then decided on the more dainty pink theme. Decided this is going to be like the only girly part of my room, and I will be doing a tutorial where I'm actually redoing my room to be like Tim Burton-esque themed, where it's going to be like Nightmare Before Christmas, Coraline, Beetlejuice, all this like really cool like dark theme. So I was like, okay, this will be my only like girly section of my room, which makes sense because it's like all my makeup stuff. So I was like, that's fine, we're gonna go with dainty. I went with more of a pink themed, which if you guys have vanities, let me know down below what kind of theme you did for yours, because I went through Pinterest, I googled pictures on like inspiration, which I highly recommend if you are also looking to redo your vanity. But what kind of theme have you guys done? Because I love looking at those and like getting inspired by like, I like this, and like putting it together. Steps that we're going to be doing today is I'm going to first start off by like showing you guys what I have behind me as of right now. My current vanity before we redo anything. I'm going to take everything off, we're going to clean it off, and then one by one we're going to be adding things. I'll show you guys, and then you guys will see the final result with me, which I'm super excited for because I've had everything sitting over to the side of my room, just like me patiently like waiting to be able to do this. But I was like, no, like we're gonna make a video. Patience, but patience is so hard. Let me show you guys what I have as of right now. To start off with, this chair that I'm sitting on that I'm going to be showing you guys, I just got for the redecorating, but I had to use it before because my old chair that I had for my vanity actually broke on me while I was sitting. So I literally for months was sitting on the floor doing my makeup, so I needed a new chair. So I got it, and as soon as I got it I started using it because I was tired of sitting on the floor. The new chair is a part of it, just so we're clear and everyone knows. So let me stop talking and show you guys what I have behind me. Alright, so that is my current vanity setup. I actually put that mirror that you see behind me, like I actually made that mirror. It's very DIY looking. That's why I'm super excited that I'm actually getting like a nice put together vanity mirror. So yeah, little story about that mirror. As well as I'm getting rid of the lights in that curtain just because I just don't like the lining and the curtain. I've tried so many times taking it out and it just doesn't look professional to me, so that's why I just decided that it's time for an update. Alright, so I'm going to be starting off with clearing off my vanity of everything, wiping it down so it's all clean for the new stuff, and then we'll go ahead and get started putting everything on. Okay, I put my hair in a ponytail because moving things around and then like getting hot is not fun. But as you can see, the whole background behind me is just like my wall like the painted wall behind me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start moving things over. I already cleaned off my vanity, which again, if you're interested in seeing how I made my own vanity desk, I'm gonna go ahead and I already made a little place card in the beginning, but if you missed that, the link will be down below for you as well. I'm going to be starting to move things over, so I'm going to start off with the bigger pieces, which is like the mirror, and then add in the little pieces as we go. So let's get started. So really quick, I forgot to do this. I have bought these like lights. I'm gonna go ahead and set them up behind my vanity, and why I'm doing that is because once I turn them on, it's gonna kind of give a glow to my vanity. So, oh my god, I'm out of breath. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Set up the lights behind, and I am so happy with them because it just gives such a pretty like glow behind, and you can change the color too. There we go. See how it changes the color. I'm probably gonna just keep it on like that purpley pink color to go with my theme. But yeah, I think that just like adds. And then I also put it below too. So here it is so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and just add everything and kind of speed it up, and then we'll do a whole like reveal after. Alright guys, well this is the finished product behind me. What do we think? I am actually like so happy with the results and like how it finished out. This guy right here is going to be filled with jewelry. I'm just waiting for it to come in. And then this blank eye right here, I actually just ordered a bunch of like little hair accessories off of AliExpress. I'm going to be like filling in this, so it's not gonna stay blank. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation of my vanity desk as much as I did. I'm absolutely in love with it, and I thank you guys so much for watching it. If you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a like, as well as if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in watching similar videos to this one, like I have a vanity desk DIY, as well as I have vanity desk decor from the Dollar Tree, which will be linked down below if you're interested in watching more of my videos. I post every Friday at 12 p.m. so go ahead and check in on Fridays and you will see a new video from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!